With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let me explain this question to you. Statement 1. Time period of simple pendulum changes when the solid bob is replaced by a hollow sphere of same radius but different mass. And statement 2. The time period of simple pendulum depends on force acting on bob per unit mass due to the earth. Okay, yes, statement 2 is correct because time period of simple pendulum is t is equals to 2 pi under root L upon g. Here g is the acceleration due to gravity, that means force acting on bob per unit mass. This is acceleration due to gravity. So statement 2 is correct, but statement 1 is false. If we replace solid by hollow of same radius but different mass, so mass is not important. Mass is time period not depend on mass. It depends on force per unit mass, which is acceleration due to gravity, which is small g. So if it is a solid sphere or if it is a hollow sphere of different mass but acceleration due to gravity for both cases remains same, so time period will remain same. So statement 1 is false and statement 2 is correct. So correct option is statement 1 is false, statement 2 is true. I hope you have understood this explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.